If you make this, you have to go when you're done. Just kidding. I'm not kidding. You have to do that. Today I have a really cute, simple, and fun, sultry little present you can make for Valentine's Day with your cutting machine. I think it's a lot of fun to use two different kinds of specialty paper, like I've done here with the glitter paper and then the Mary Lava cardstock. I got this from 12x12 cardstock.shop. You could certainly cut both the top and the bottom lip out of the same kind of paper, but I thought it was really nice to showcase two different ones and to differentiate them. It looks really cool. So this is a lot of fun to put Hershey Kisses in with some shredded paper. Maybe some lip gloss, some kind of small treats would be perfect. I was thinking about doing an add-on too, which would be a complimentary update to your download, which would be some fangs for Halloween. That could be a really cute way to make this, maybe with black lips and a purple base. Just thinking out loud. Let me know what you think about that. So let's dive right in. I'll show you how easy this is to make. So first I have the top and bottom lip panels, and you can certainly cut these out of the same paper, but I think for a nice effect to sort of differentiate them and to show off some fun paper, you can do one glitter, one holographic, or one shimmer, one glitter, if you feel like it, but you don't have to. So this is regular glitter paper, which is great, and this is holographic lava cardstock paper. It's called Mary Lava cardstock from 12x12 cardstock.shop. I have a couple different colors and it is very striking and cool. It's kind of like taffeta. So I also have this piece here, which is, it's symmetrical this way and it's symmetrical this way. So when we get to it, it doesn't matter which orientation it has. Then I have, this is a back, this is a front. You can tell it's the front because it has a small circle cut out of it. This is the back and this is the front. So these are identical, and when this is flipped like this, then they are all identical. So we're gonna set this aside and this. First, I'm going to fold over all of these teeth. And if you would like to grab some scrap paper for your work surface, it's a good idea because we might be getting some glue on our table here. So again, it doesn't matter which side of these teeth you fold over, just pick one and fold them over. And then I'm going to glue the first two teeth into place as an anchor. So I'll just line that up right there and glue that down. Then I will do the same thing on the other side here. And for the first time, I'm using some different glue. This is art glitter glue, which a lot of you guys have said that you like a lot. And I've had some in my collection. I guess I've been like afraid to try something new, honestly, because I've been using the Scotch Quick Dry glue for 15 years now. And I don't know what happened. I just decided to try the art glitter glue. I guess I have like a comfort zone bubble about glue that I'm stepping out of. It's kind of exhilarating. So comment what kind of glue you like. Have you used the art glitter glue before? Do you like Scotch? Do you like the Barely glue? I have some of that on the way from Amazon. You know what the reason is? Because this has such a nice precision tip, which is functionally, that's great. And also on camera, it might be easier to see what I'm doing on camera with this more of a pointed nozzle here. So at this point, If you want, you could just draw, or you could put a line of glue here where these tabs are gonna go down, or you can do what I'm gonna do and put an individual dollop of glue on each tab. Doesn't really take that long. Like this. Then I will put it down on my scrap paper here. And I'm gonna be pushing up, making sure that it's making contact right here, as well as over here, which it kind of just falls into place anyway, but you wanna make sure that it's nice and tight up here in this curve and on this curve here. So that's the front. And now I'll take the other front, which is designated by that little circle, and that's gonna get glued right on the front here. But before I do that, I could go ahead and glue these 2 lip panels onto the front. Then I can glue this right onto the front here. So this is gonna look so cute when you put some shredded paper inside, or maybe some tissue paper, some small little gifts, maybe some lip gloss or some Hershey Kisses. Obviously something that kind of goes with the theme of lips is pretty cool. But any kind of small treat or gift is also gonna be really cool too. So these are gonna fold over at the end when we're done, just for some reinforcement. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take these other 2 identical pieces that go on the back, and I'll just do the same thing, where I anchor one first, glue the teeth down, and then put the other one on the outside. Nice and easy to the peasy, I do believe, yet cute. So you will definitely have to show us a picture on social media. If you make one of these, I would love to see. On Facebook. It can be tricky to post to our Facebook page. Facebook keeps changing the way that works, and last time I checked, there was a big outcry of people such as myself who can't even see the posts that people are posting to a page. So at some point, I would imagine it'll come back, or maybe there's a setting. I don't know. Actually, when I looked into it about a month ago, there was no setting to fix it, which is very strange. I'm sure it hasn't disappeared altogether, I should hope. But anyway, what I'm getting at is that we have a Facebook group that was started by someone else, but it's an SVG Cuts Facebook group, and you can find it on Facebook. It's called svgcuts.com users, and it's a group on Facebook where it's nice and easy to share a photo of your finished project with me and other people who make designs from my website, SVG Cuts. So please do visit and share a photo of your finished lips treat holder design or something else perhaps that you've made from our site. I love to see. And someday I would love to have a section on my actual website where I can easily showcase fan photos on the actual design page. So there are quite a few improvements I would like to make to my site, that being one of them. Also making it easier to see that you've already ordered something. We have a few ways to see what you've already ordered. However, that could be improved too. But Facebook is not the only place to share a photo or a video of something that you've made. There's also, of course, Instagram. There's also, of course, Pinterest. If you have a blog and you make a blog post about your experience or your design that you've made, you can pin that on Pinterest. TikTok, of course. YouTube. I'm sure I'm forgetting something. There's so many ways to share nowadays. And if you make this in a different color scheme, I would love to see that too. I feel like purple with black could look really edgy and cool. Oh, we could even add, maybe I'll do an add-on with like some fangs and some blood dripping down for a Halloween look. That could be really cool. So one of the cool things about ordering designs from SVG Cuts is that you always get complimentary updates. If there's an update, like an added feature or an improvement or anything, you always have access to that. No subscription or membership necessary. So I think someday I will have to add that. Comment below if you would like to see that added to this. And if I do that, you will get the complimentary update if you order it. So next, this looks really cute with some shredded paper in here. I have pink, white, and red shredded paper that I got from Michael's in the Valentine's section. It also came with gold, shiny gold in here, but I took it out because I didn't want my cat to ingest it and have issues, because that could be a thing. So this looks really cute with the kisses inside. I love it. I hope you love making it too. So there you have it. That's how to make our brand new lips shaped treat holder. I hope you have a great time making it. You'll have to share a picture with us on Facebook or Instagram or however you like to share. I always love to see, and so do the rest of our crafty friends. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Happy Valentine's Day and happy crafting.